The advantages of tube laser cutting is we can have different contours that we can't really replicate with a CNC machining center. We're going to eliminate welding and bending of sheet metal parts, so we're getting structure from the tube without having to have heavier weight in the material. Hi, I'm Jack from Caltech Manufacturing. We're a fully integrated CNC manufacturing company specializing in tube laser. Some of our parts we can implement drilling and tapping. So we have a thin wall material here that we've done with a flow drill, so we've been able to get more thread engagement into the tube without adding PEM certs, riv nuts, and things like that. What we do is we're going to get more of a burr-free finish. Some of the parts we can implement bending designs. We can add notching. We can add bend reliefs in the corners. So a lot of the things we have issues in fabrication is getting into welding with reducing fixturing and design. So the tube laser, we can integrate all of those features easily in that processing without having to make secondary fixtures or secondary operations. If we were going to put this on a conventional CNC machining center or something like this, first obviously we know we have to saw this, get coolant everywhere, brake blades have big burrs. This miter cut is done in the machine. We also have tabbing and slotting that can't be done in a machining center with these square edges. All these holes we all know will take a lot of time, plus manual indexing of the part to be able to get to all sides. So there's a lot of times where people have operator error in issues like that. Coolant everywhere, which the welders never want to weld with the oil in there. And then if we take a look here, we have some etching on the part that's easily integrated into the tube laser process, the same streamlined process, to allow for identification of parts easily so that operators, welders, fabricators aren't getting confused with like kinds of parts, especially if they're not a symmetrical part. We know which end's which. This part is an aerospace component. It's very light. So it's all aluminum. We run this on our 5th axis machining center to hold true position. So we're getting all faces of this. Finishing the part off, we're running in a dovetail vise. We get most of this part we have to finish out in a last operation, but we do CNC machining as well. So we're doing up to 5th axis machining, really specializing in large machining, 120-inch travel by X and 40 in the Y, 40 in the Z. We also do CNC turning, Swiss turning up to 1.25 inch, multi-axis turning. So if you need a fully integrated manufacturing partner that understands offering you the right services that you need, because we have everything under our roof, come to Caltech Manufacturing.
Please support us so we can make more videos to support American manufacturing. Smash the like button and subscribe. Thanks.